what is a compound inequality? A compound inequality occurs when we have two inequalities connected by an and or an or. So if you see an and or an or in between two inequalities, you have a compound inequality. So let's look at a couple examples of compound inequalities. First, let's look at an and compound inequality. We'll have x is greater than 7 and x is less than 15. This is a compound inequality. We have two inequalities connected by an and. Now let's look at another compound inequality. This time, let's look at an or compound inequality. We'll have x is less than -5 or x is greater than 3. Again, this is a compound inequality. We have two inequalities connected by an or. Now we can also write compound inequalities in set builder notation. So let's take both of our examples and write them in set notation. To write something in set notation, we open up our set and write x and the vertical line that means such that. Now, we could simply rewrite our statement to get the rest of our set builder notation. But because this is an and compound inequality, we can simplify it. To do this, take your first inequality and flip it completely over. So, write 7 first, and then change the greater than symbol to a less than symbol, and then write x. Now we have 7 is less than x. To get the second part of our compound inequality, write the second part of our second inequality. So, we write less than 15. Now we've written our and compound inequality in a simplified set builder notation. We have the set of all x such that 7 is less than x and x is less than 15. Now let's put our or compound inequality in set builder notation. Again, we open up our set and write x and the vertical line that means such that. Now, because this is an or compound inequality, we cannot simplify it like we did the and compound inequality. So in this case, we just need to rewrite our statement. X is less than -5 or x is greater than 3. Now we've written both our and our or compound inequalities in set builder notation.